Back at Wars again. Started with the Wars big one. Now we're gonna eat the chili cheese dog. Man, you get that damn cup. I ain't moving no more. Cup. I already done gave it to you 2 times now. They give you these punk ass straws. I'm glad they don't sell. They do sell. No, they don't. They don't sell shakes too.
And root beer float?
Fit through this straw.
Water down.
Got that old root beer too.
Okay.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that root beer now. That Friday I just ate one. It wouldn't please Adrian. It wasn't nice and crisp. This one is the other way.
Nobody see that.
But get your own out and let somebody see it if I ain't doing it right. Hell. Hell, I can see it.
Hot dog.
Ain't no damn hot dog. That's a Wars chili cheese dog.
Well, chili cheese dog, hot dog.
Eat the damn dog, anime. Hell. Yum, yum, yum.
Yep, all that grease.
I ain't get my damn ketchup in it. I want ketchup on mine sometime. You know what I'm saying?
On the chili cheese dog.
Just a little bit. Even everything here. Put a dab of ketchup on it. It amps up the flavor. Everything, even the big one.
Amp up the flavor.
They piling up like pigeons over there.
They want to know what the fuck you doing.
No, I don't want to smoke a nasty ass cigarette. Then go breathe cigarette breath on your damn food.
Well, it's supposed to always be good with coffee.
These fries taste better.
You said it was nasty.
No, man. They had to start using some fucked up grease, even in Pedal. By the way, we on Hattiesburg now. What is this? Clover leaf Wars. But they were using like some kind of nasty ass grease. You know how that animal shit smell at Kemper Park?
No.
Well, I remember when I was a kid. It tastes like that smell.
That's fucked up.
And I thought it was just they started doing it in Pedal. When I come here one day, it was the same damn taste. I was like, they done fucked up.
And you ate that?
No.
We could put some more salt on it. No, I like salt. Like shit.
And I'm not going to get you no salt.
I don't need no salt.
You always go get me this. I got your ass ketchup. Now you probably use just 1 pack.
I use 2 now.
Kind of dark in here though.
Shouldn't be so damn black.
No, we got a brand new truck.
Ooh.
Not brand new, but it's new to us. It got dark ass windows on, can't see shit. I guess I'll eat a nothing since you bullshit. I can do it. This I can read.
I mean, I'm supposed to be eating.
What?
I didn't.
I didn't.
How
Hell.
about you 2 any damn way, you're greedy ass.
I ain't greedy. I'm just a growing.
You ain't going no damn out.
I am.
You gonna grow all you didn't grow.
I'm getting wide and all outside though.
Well, you don't need to grow that way.
Can't hip it.
No, you can. Just say no.
Okay, you even got Adrian getting fat.
How the fuck I got Adrian getting fat?
That what that lady say?
You better tell him that.
Who been feeding you? His wife. Why is your wife feeding him?
Look at my last bite. Dropping shit already. I know it ain't my truck.
Technically it is. Just, I'm the one got to clean this motherfucker. You heard me, motherfucker? All right then. Acknowledge my bullshit when I talk to you. You ain't drunk none of your tasty beverage.
Okay. That was good as all get out.
I just gotta do that every time. It's like, I don't know.
These fries good as all get out too.
I bet you, if there are people looking at this that used to stay here, they want to come back this weekend and go to Wars.
That chili cheese dog was on here.
Cause they like, man, I remember that. Don't you?
You go eat your fries.
You goddamn fried.
There's that.
You know I was looking at mine. Shit. Always worried about what's on the other man's plate.
You go eat your cornbread. Alright, I'm gonna say these for Taylor. See?
You're right.
I am.
Very good food.
No, I ain't. I eat them, though. You know I eat some fries.
Focus, mother. I can't. Is that focus?
I don't know.
Like it's too much sun on that bitch. Look at that.
Why you got a jacket on?
Now what y'all do is get hoodie time. Y'all love them hoodies. Mr. Zimmerman need to come out and beat his ass. I'm gonna give me some tight pants put on like that.
Get your nuts off and just...
No, I ain't gonna do that. I can't be doing that. I'm talking. Especially in this truck.
You go bust them motherfuckers. You go eat some fries.
Cause yesterday I caught hell with them jeans on. I asked you why you keep fucking with me looking at my fries.
Till I want to.
Shit.
See, you got nothing left.
Get your damn hell.
No, I'm just saying.
Get your goddamn
I don't
fries.
want them damn fries.
Make me get your damn
I
fries.
want them fries.
Hell.
Save them for Taylor.
Shit.
Don't want your damn fries.
Well, stop inquiring on them.
Well, that reminds one another.
About one.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Before I get mad. Wayne, take your glasses off. Cause you know what you eating this time, huh?
God damn it, I got crumbs on me, motherfucker. Yeah. Shit.
Yeah, your ass gonna get plenty of exercise up in here.
Start of the napkins. There we go.
Missed it. That good as all get out. You gonna do that shit every time?
I have to. Well, Adrian, them some nice crispy fries.
You're a retard. What's up with the fries?
I don't know. Hell, ask him next
Oh,
time
he's
you
a
see
fry
him.
guy. Okay.
Hell, he always has them nice crispy fries. Guys, if you get a So that'll do it. Let's do it right there.